I've got one more tip for the bar setup. If you want to adjust the bar setup, then usually you can take the bar and you power it up, open the trimmer, okay. And here you can check that all flying lines, the front lines should have same length, and the back lines also, all lines should have the same length. So the back lines are a little bit shorter, for about 2 centimeters. The sole you can ride up to 4 centimeters shorter back lines, but then that's the maximum, otherwise you get backstall. Everything should have equal length. But now with the sole, as we have got also the option of the long mixer test, you can also take the kite up. If you're here at the kite, if you take the A line and the Z line, here with this black flex, you can also measure and look at the equal length. But you have to take care that the bar is 90 degrees to you, and then you can check that the trim is also fine, like it is here.